If you're a lover of color and culture, you need to experience the magic of Qatar's Kite Festival. Picture this: the sun setting over Doha's coastline, as the sky fills with vibrant kites of every shape and size. From giant dragons to shimmering holographic kites. The Qatar Kite Festival 2020 is a feast for the eyes and soul. Over 500 kite flyers from around the world have gathered to showcase their incredible creations. Whether it's traditional Qatari Taif kites or cutting-edge drone-assisted designs, there's something for everyone. But it's not just about kites. On the ground, you can immerse yourself in Qatari culture with traditional music, dance, and delicious food. Kids can join in the fun too, with workshops, games, and even illuminated kites lighting up the night sky. And don't miss out on exploring Qatar's treasures, from desert safaris to the Museum of Islamic Art. This festival isn't just an event, it's an adventure. So mark your calendars for February 15th, ready to witness the excitement. Let your spirit soar at the Qatar is just the beginning.